How do you build a crappy
What?
product?
Well, and there's a neighbor up the road that will do that for
Yeah, right, right. That's what I was.
you. No, but I mean, this is just further evidence of the idea that the fallacy is people thinks that it takes more time to build a quality product. And in fact, it doesn't. It takes less time to build a quality product. That if you build things in a way that gets you what you needed to get with 10% rework instead of missing the mark with 60% rework, it's such a foreign concept. I mean, I liken it to counterintuitive is the word that I use. Anybody who's driven on snow and ice knows that you slam on the brakes, the car starts turning, you go into a spin. So the last thing you want to do is slam on the brakes when you're on the ice. It takes a special technique to drive on snow and ice, and basically don't slam on the brakes. But that's your natural reaction. You're driving and the car gets slightly out of control. Your absolute natural reaction is to slam on the brakes. But it's the same thing in the environment that we're typically in software projects. Your natural reaction is, if you want to invest in quality, it costs more to get there. But in fact, counterintuitive, no, it actually doesn't cost anymore. If you know what's driving your cost, if you know that the dominant cost driver is rework, you just focus on managing the rework, which inherently drives the quality up, drives defects down
Yeah.
anyway. So you get higher productivity, lower cost, higher quality all at the same time. It's not counterintuitive if you recognize the dynamic.
I think I need to, yeah, adjust my comment. That high quality, when do we have enough quality, isn't going to be a problem that almost every team that we've ever talked to is going to face at this point. Their rework percentage is so high that if they got it down to 3% or 2%, then maybe the next thing to do might cost more than trying to take it down to 0.5% or something like that. They think so, but they're never close. They're so far off. And I have to take a little umbrage with Steve saying no one's recording this, no one's paying attention to the rework percentage.